So you know how your convertible makes that wind noise going down the road? Oh, it's actually an easy fix. See, it's right here. This makes all that noise. Hey, how to fix it? It's easy on a Miata because Miata is always the answer. This is the problem. Well, it's what's not here that's the problem. See, this part is supposed to go into this part. And it does, but see this little broken plastic bit? Just need to replace that. And then it'll fit tighter, and tighter is gooder. So just take some screws out. Take out 3 screws. Try not to lose them while you're holding the phone to videotape. 'Cause that's how we do things. Do. Don't even need no power tools. Do. Find someone to clean workbench to work. That'll work. See? One clean spot. Spend $10 on Amazon. Get another screwdriver, smaller one. Off with the bed. If you're videotaping, cut your tape first. Yee. Important to do this all one-handed. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell it closes a little bit tighter here. Yay!